If you need to change your email on Whop, this quick guide will walk you through the process step by step. Whether you're updating to a new inbox, fixing a typo, or switching to a more secure email address, this takes just a few minutes when you know where to click. And before we get into it, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, sign into your Whop account at whop.com. Once you're logged in, make sure you're on your home feed. This is important because all of the account settings we need start from your main dashboard. Now look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile avatar or icon. This opens your account options. Next, find the gear icon that sits directly to the right of your username and click it. That will take you into your account settings area. On the left-hand navigation sidebar, click on Account Security. This is where Whop stores your login and email security options, so if you're trying to update the email link to your profile, this is the exact section you need. Now look near the top of the account security page and locate your current email address. You should see it listed clearly there. To the right of it, click the Change button, or in some layouts you may see a pencil or edit icon instead. Don't worry if the button looks slightly different depending on your browser or device. It's still the same action. Once the email field opens, type in your new email address carefully. Take a second to make sure there are no spelling mistakes, missing letters or extra spaces, because this email will be used for verification and future account access. After entering the new address, click Send Code. Whop will now send a confirmation message to the new email you entered. At this point, switch over to your new email inbox and look for a message from Whop. If you don't see it right away, check your spam, promotions or junk folder, just in case it landed there. Open the email and either click the Verify Email button or copy the confirmation code provided in the message and paste it back into the Whop prompt. Once that verification step is completed, your Whop account will be linked to the new email address immediately. If everything worked, you're all set and your email has been successfully updated. This is a great time to double-check your account details and make sure everything looks correct, especially if you use Whop for memberships, digital products, or community access. Now, there is one very important note to keep in mind. If you no longer have access to your old registered email address, or if you do not receive the verification code, you'll need to contact Whop support directly. You can reach them at support@whop.com or use their 24/7 live chat so they can manually verify your identity and help update your details safely. That support step is especially useful if you're locked out of the old inbox or running into any email verification issues. And that's it. That's how to change your email on Whop. If this tutorial saved you time, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.